For those of you that didn't know, Vineyard Vines teamed up with Target to release a limited collection on May 18th of 2019. The collaboration consisted of men, women, and children's apparel pieces, as well as numerous accessories, home decor, and kitchen items. The internet literally exploded with customers coming at Target and how their 3 AM release time was unreasonable, and how the collection sold out within a few minutes. Luckily for me, I was away traveling in Europe, and the 5-hour time difference from Eastern United States made it possible for me to grab all the men's apparel pieces I wanted. The first thing I grabbed and probably most excited and then quickly disappointed about is this navy blue and red Windbreaker. I paid $35 for it, and when you consider what comparable lightweight coats are going for, not only at Vineyard Vines but other brands as well, this is a small price to pay. However, I'm not so thrilled about how thin it is. I understand that it is to be a lightweight windbreaker for the summer, but it literally feels like that it could be easily ripped or damaged. Regardless, it is a nice looking piece to have in your arsenal. I would just recommend wearing it cautiously. The next few things I picked up are things that I'm super thrilled about. I grabbed both the quarter zips they had available, one in this gray color and the other in a navy blue with stripes. I'm always a sucker for quarter zips, or 3/4 zip sweaters if that's how you like to pronounce them. When I saw them for $30 a piece, I had to grab them both. Vineyard Vines quarter zips usually go for around $100, so grabbing 2 for $60 is a great deal. Quality feels good, similar to the Shep shirt that I currently own. While summer is right here and I won't get a lot of wear out of them, they'll certainly be something nice for chilly evenings or in the colder future seasons. The most practical thing for me in this haul of stuff is this long sleeve button down that I got for $30. It's something that goes with literally everything and wearable for any occasion. I'd say the fit is more of a regular fit than slim, but don't hold me to that because I have a pretty thin build to start with. This was the only long sleeve button down that they had in the collection, and I'm honestly kinda shocked they didn't come out with a few variations. Following the button down shirt trend, I also grabbed the 2 short sleeve ones they had in the collection. They both have interesting prints, with one being a Hawaiian styled shirt and the other having these fish bones. At $25 a piece, I couldn't resist grabbing them both, especially since they'll be perfect for the summertime. I honestly would have gotten everything else, like the swim trunks, polo shirts, and t-shirts, but I wasn't in the market to spend more than the $175 I spent already on these 6 items. Overall quality on everything I got I would say is decent, maybe on par with Target's private label brands such as Goodfellow. I own a few Goodfellow clothing items, and when it comes to value for price, they certainly are one of my go-to brands, but that's a topic for another video. All things considered, Target did well with this collection. Historically, Vineyard Vines is often associated with an affluent demographic. This was an opportunity for the brand to put their hand out and gain exposure to a bigger audience. Additionally, putting out a collection that is reasonably priced for a brand that is normally regarded as expensive speaks volumes at how far Target has come in the clothing industry. Target has done similar collaborations with popular brands such as Tom's, Lilly Pulitzer, Hunter, and more, so to me it isn't crazy that Target teamed up with Vineyard Vines. But I'd love to hear what you guys think in the comment section. Was this a bad move for Vineyard Vines? Did you grab anything from the collection? Have you seen any of the Target Vineyard Vines collection come up on places like eBay after the fact? And for those of you that struck out on the Target collection, I wouldn't worry too much about it. I've been seeing Vineyard Vines pop up at my local Marshalls and TJ Maxx's, so definitely make a trip out there if you're itching for your discount Vineyard Vines fix. But that wraps it up for this one. If you support what I'm doing, feel free to drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.